Hey y'all, welcome back to Cara's Kitchen. Today we are making some seafood gumbo, and I got the recipe from this book called The Best of Both Worlds by Mr. Make It Happen and Mr. AB themselves. So let's get started. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using in this video, and I will have all the ingredients down in the description box below. So we're gonna start out by peeling our deveined and cleaned shrimp. This is how we're gonna make our seafood stock. And I actually couldn't find shrimp that wasn't peeled already, so I'm just taking the tails off and using that to help create my seafood stock. So while you're warming up your stock on the stove, we're gonna start browning our sausage. And while our sausage is cooking, we're gonna come back to our seafood stock. Once it starts boiling, you wanna turn the heat off and let it rest. Okay, so now back to the sausage. We took the sausage out of our pot, and now we are going to keep all that goodness in the pot. We're gonna throw in a half a stick of butter. We're gonna melt that down. Once our butter is melted, we're gonna go in with some oil or some Earl, like they say in New Orleans. And we then gonna take our flour and go in a little at a time so it won't clump up. And this is how we are making our roux. Okay, so once you've added all your flour, you want to occasionally stir every 10 minutes or so, and you should see it getting darker just like this. And you want it to be like a chocolate brown color. So as you can see, with each clip, the roux is getting darker, and that's what we want. And you also want to keep this on a medium to low heat. You don't want to burn your roux. And also, guys, don't be alarmed. This process takes a long time. It took me about 40 minutes to an hour just to get this color. And to me, I think this is as brown as I'm going to get it. So now I'm going in with all my veggies, my onions, my peppers, garlic, and anything else you want to throw in there. This is the time to do it. And I am just going in with a few splashes of W sauce. And once you get that mixed in, you want to go ahead and strain off your seafood stock. Now you just want to season your gumbo and make sure you taste as you go. Once you're done adding all your seasonings, put the lid on and allow it to come to a boil. Once you get a rolling boil like this, you want to go ahead and add in your sausage. And at this point, you just want to go ahead and add in your lump crab, your snow crab, king crab, or whatever other seafood you want to put in your gumbo. Once you've added all your seafood, let it come to another boil and let those flavors marinate, and then that is it. I used to think making gumbo was super hard, but it's absolutely not. It just takes a little time. And I'm gonna need for y'all to not come for me for this plate. I know it looked a mess. My rice kind of fell apart when I was pouring the gumbo on the sides, trying to make it all cute, but that did not work out. But guess what? It still got ate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend, and I will see you in my next video.